Welcome to this exciting episode. Kate learns how to effectively manage her time. Let's jump right in. It's been a year now and Katie chocolate chip cookies has become a household name in the city. A growing request from excited chocolate chip cookies lovers makes Kate happy, though she feels she cannot play with her mates anymore. She begins to complain it's taking too much of her time and she decides to talk to her mom about it.
Mom, I would love to play with my mates and watch my favorite TV cartoon, but the cookie business is taking all my time.
You will have to decide if the business is worth the loss of time to do other things. However, I can teach you time management.
What is time management?
Time management is the process of planning and sharing your time among different activities. It is all about knowing what to do first and when to do it. This way you'll be able to stay focused and you'll be able to achieve your goals.
I really need someone to teach me time management now.
You have to plan your daily activities in order of importance. From your bedtime, to house chores time, to school time, to eating time, to study and homework time, to baking your cookies and even when you watch your favorite TV cartoon.
Alright, Mom. I have written them down. What next?
Don't forget to add your playtime as well, and follow the timetable. You know, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy.
Okay, Mom. I don't want to be a dull Kate.
Resting is also very important so that you don't break down when your business needs you the most.
Break down? What's that, Mom?
When your body feels too weak and you have no choice but to take a compulsory unplanned rest from work, which could affect your already planned timetable. So that's why you always need to take your rest time very important.
Okay, Mom.
Remember to also allow breaks in between your tasks so as to refresh. Inadequate rest causes stress, boredom, and loss of focus, and you might even fall ill.
That's why you always insist I take my afternoon nap when I get back from school. Now I understand a lot of things. Okay, Mom, I would do all you asked me to do.
Good. As an entrepreneur, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail.
Thanks for this advice, Mom.
We have come to the end of this episode. Next, Kate learns about the difference between products and services as it concerns her business. Let's jump right in.